Understanding up to date in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases. Our star for today is up to date. Ever heard of it? Let's break it down together. Up to date is an adjective phrase which means that something is current, modern, or has the latest information. It can be used to describe various things like technology, fashion, information, and more. For instance, having an up-to-date passport means it's still valid and hasn't expired. Let's understand up-to-date better with some examples. 1. It's essential to keep your computer software up to date to avoid security risks. 2. Sarah always wears the most up-to-date fashion. She loves following trends. 3. I make sure to read the news every morning to stay up to date on current events. If you want to use words or phrases similar in meaning to up to date, here are some synonyms. Current, modern, contemporary, latest, newfangled. And if you're curious about what the opposite might be, here are some antonyms. Outdated, old-fashioned, obsolete, antiquated, behind the times. And there you have it. Now, not only do you know what up-to-date means, but you also know how to use it in sentences, its synonyms, and its opposites. We hope you found this video enlightening. Remember, English is a rich and dynamic language, and every phrase has its unique charm. Stay curious, keep learning, and always aim to keep your knowledge up to date.